If you've gotten a little too comfortable with grilling burgers, I have to recommend you try these smoked steak kebabs with veggies. I smoke them on the Traeger. Use whatever pellet grill you have, or you could grill these indoors or on a regular barbecue. But this recipe is so tasty. Those veggies come out delicious as well. So let's get into it. I used about 2-pound skirt steak and cut it into 3-inch chunks. To season the beef, I used 1.5 tablespoons barbecue rub and a couple tablespoons barbecue sauce. Then it was time to prep the veggies, which really bring a lot of flavor to the dish. I used a yellow, orange, and red bell pepper, along with a yellow onion and red onion, and I cut all of those into 3-inch chunks to be the same size as the beef. I seasoned the veggies with a tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and another 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. These are so delicious if you have enough time to let them marinate overnight, but even 30 minutes in the fridge would be a great way to add a bunch of flavor. And when you're ready to cook, preheat the Traeger or whatever pellet grill you're using to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoke the kebabs for about 45 to 55 minutes or until the steak hits your desired internal temp. I pulled mine at 140 and they were definitely juicy, super tender because they were smoked low and slow. But if I could go a little less next time, I will. I'd probably pull them off at about 130 because I like a little bit more reddish pink in the center. Finish these with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve them over rice, salads, whatever you've got on hand. These kebabs are so good for casual barbecues or an easy family dinner in the summer. And you can print out the recipe at sitbytego.com. And while you're there, sign up for my Foodie Friday email list so you're the first to know about tasty ideas that you can cook all year long. Delicious.